Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Strike Industries FSA folding stabilizer. Now, Strike Industries makes a variety of different stocks and braces. This is the stabilizing brace. They make one that is a single folder, so it folds to one side, or a double where it folds to both. This is the single. And today I have it on my Masterpiece Arms MPA30T, a little 9mm pistol. That kind of is a poor man's version of the Mac 11. I've done a full video on this if you want to check that out. Already I'm a fan of it, just in how it looks and how it feels. It feels very well made. The folding option is very easy to manipulate, again, as opposed to the folding brace that's on my AKV9. That one's a little bit more tricky to manipulate. This one is very easy, so we're gonna give it a test out here and see how it does. Speaking of the AKV9, I actually brought it to put this on and see how it goes. I do really like the look of this on it versus the traditional triangle brace that it comes with. That just looks pretty nice. So far I'm impressed with it on the MPA30T. Let's see how it goes on the AKV9. Pretty accurate still. I gotta say, I am a pretty big fan of this stabilizer. I only got one and I'm just swapping it between the guns. I'm gonna have to end up getting a second one just to put on this guy because I am definitely a fan of that. It's comfortable, it's sturdy, and it's accurate. Definitely well made. Just easier to manipulate than the triangle stock that was on this that it came with. Brace. The triangle brace that came on this pistol. Alright, so we put about 200 rounds through the MPA30T and the PSA AKV9, all using the Strike Industries folding stabilizer. This is the FSA. Pretty impressed, I gotta say. I had to adjust it down a little bit to get a proper sight picture out of this guy. I had it level and it just wasn't working out. I moved it down to the bottom notch on the Picatinny rail, and it lines up much better, much more accurate. I didn't have any issues on the AKV9. Like I said, this thing folds out just a hell of a lot easier and a hell of a lot quicker than the triangle folding brace on the AKV9 that comes with it. I'm gonna end up buying a second one of these just to put on that. It just comes out so quick, and you can get this up ready to go. I wouldn't mind getting like a single point sling for this guy to kind of bring up. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, be good.